copy some text, paste it on a document, and instantly earn $1,000. Do this in less than 15 minutes. Imagine if we do this for 15 minutes straight. We would get almost $3,000. Doing this is an easy way to make money online. Interested? Then you should watch this video. We will show you this super easy method that we mentioned earlier. And all you have to do is copy and paste some text, and then you can earn money. No marketing needed, no social media followers, no surveys to be answered, and no referrals needed. All you need is 3 websites that we will be showing you today to get started. The method of earning that we will show you today is 100% free. You don't need to pay anything or make an investment to start. You can do this right away in the comfort of your home. This is absolutely available worldwide. You can do this from anywhere in any part of the world without restrictions or limitations. You don't need prior knowledge or experience to do this. All you need is a mobile phone or laptop and an internet connection. And almost everyone can do this. What you need to do to get started is to watch this video until the end. We will show you a step-by-step process on how you can earn money just by copy and pasting some text. Now, let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. These 3 websites that we will show you are very easy to navigate through. However, you still need to watch carefully to know how to earn money on these websites. We will show you a free tool that you can use to increase the money that you can earn. If PayPal is not available in your country or you do not prefer using it, we will show you how you can receive payments using other payment methods in this video. Payment methods such as direct bank transfer, AirTM, Payoneer, or even cryptocurrency can be used to receive payments. So watch till the end to learn more. To start our money-making method, we first need to go to Google. On the search bar, we put the keyword Google News and then hit enter. Now click on the first link that pops up in the search results, and now we are in Google News. The website should look like this. Google News is a place where you can read and know about the latest news around the world. This is like a digital newspaper. All of the topics around the world are available here. And if you look at the left side of this page, we can see a bunch of categories of news. You can see the latest news and articles about your own country, the world, and local news in your area. You can also filter news and articles into different categories such as business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. For example, we filter news and articles on sports categories. What we need to do is just click on the sports filter and we can see the latest news and articles about sports around the world. That is what we are going to use to copy and paste text. Just choose any article that you want to use, and then once you have found one, you can copy and text and paste this on this website. The next website that we will show you is spinbot.com. Spinbot is a website that you can use to paraphrase articles. This will make articles that you have found on the internet unique and different from the rest. That is what we will be using to easily make our own articles. So now what we'll have to do is paste the copied text right on the text box right here, complete the CAPTCHA, and click the Go button. And after that, we can now see the rewritten text right here at the bottom text box. Spinbot paraphrases text by changing some words to their corresponding synonyms and rearranging the text. So the rewritten text looks nothing like the original text, but the ideas are still here. Now we're going to show you 3 websites where you can submit your own articles that you have created using Spinbot. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. The first website that we will be using is called eatingwell.com. Eatingwell is a website where they post a bunch of articles revolving around health and fitness. We can see here articles about food recipes, fitness routines, and many more. Now, to submit an article to this website, we just need to send an email to this email address. The Eatingwell website pays you $1 per word. So, if you create an article with 1,000 words, that is an easy $1,000 in your pocket. The longer the article, the higher payment you receive. So now we go back to Google News and filter the news and articles into the category of health. We just click the health category right here, and now we can see a bunch of articles related to health and fitness. All you have to do is find an article that suits the website. For example, this one. Just copy the contents of this article and paste it on Spinbot, and now you have your own article. You don't have to do any work, Spinbot will do it for you. Once you are done creating your article, now you just send an email to this email address right here for eatingwell.com. We just have to change the subject of the email to submission so that they will know that you are submitting an article. Attach the article that you have made in your message, and in the text box right here, we put our desired payment method. We can say my preferred payment method is PayPal, or any other payment method that you would want. It can be direct bank transfer, Payoneer, or cryptocurrency. The choice is yours. The next website that we're going to use is called SierraClub.org. Sierra Club is another website where they post articles about specific topics. In Sierra Club, for every article that you submit, you get $350. This is different from eatingwell.com since on that website you get paid per word in your article. In Sierra Club, they give you $350 per article. That is a lot of money. So to submit your articles on this website, we just go to Sierra Club's editorial guidelines, and if we scroll down, we can see a section of how to submit. Just click this form right here and you will be redirected to this page. Now you just need to fill up your name, email, and other information. On the story proposal section, this is where you will be putting your article. You just need to give a brief summary of your article, and if they like it, they will ask you for a full article. After you have done all that, you can just click Submit button, and you are good to go. You cannot make articles about health and fitness here in Sierra Club. This website posts articles related to topics about technology and science, so you just need to focus on those. The last website we will show you is called daily.jstor.org. This is another website that posts articles regarding different topics such as horror and Halloween, naturalism and utopia, cryptocurrency and NFTs, racial justice and activism. Now you just need to find articles on Google News related to these topics. To submit an article here, just click on the Contact the Editors option at the bottom right here, and it will lead you to this page. Once you are on this page, on the reasons for contacting us, just pick the option Pitch from a Writer, and you can just copy and paste your article on this text box below. Now you just need to put your email address, answer a verification question, and you can now submit. JSTOR Daily pays you a little less money for each article you submit. They can only give you 31 cents per word. It's not a lot of money, but still good to earn extra income here. Take note that not all articles you submit will be accepted. Some will be accepted and some will not, but that is okay. Even if you get one article accepted per day, you still earn a lot of money for the amount of work you put in. Imagine earning $1,000 per day for a minute's worth of work. So what are you waiting for? Start today and earn lots of money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.